Philosophical values that we can learn from elephants. Compassion. Elephants are known for their ability to show compassion towards their own kind as well as other species. Intelligence. Elephants are among the most intelligent animals on the planet, with complex social structures and communication systems. Loyalty. Elephants are known for their strong bonds with their family and herd members. Respect. Elephants show respect towards their elders and leaders. Adaptability. Elephants are able to adapt to changing environments and situations. Wisdom. Elephants have long lifespans and a wealth of experience to draw upon.